Dear colleagues, imagine that you have a patient with dizziness or vertigo. You have no specific devices to document it. And what's to be done? How to evaluate and document the dizziness problems in these patients? So, we propose a series of tests and standardization of the complaints. If the attack lasts more than 1 minute, more frequent than one per month, and has additional symptoms, nausea, headache, balance control disorder, this complaint has 1 point, and in total from 0 to 3. World Health Organization requires that we do not control one parameter when we study medication, but we have to control the whole health profile after our medication to know the effectivity of our activity. So we have monitored these patients for up to 2 years. And you see that according to the complaint, no duration increase, no frequency increase, and additional symptoms decrease. Uemura test, standing blindfolded on one foot. Almost all the tests are done blindfolded. The patient asks to stand 10-15 seconds. And if he is staying stable, 0. Slightly undulating, balancing with hands, and cannot fix the point or cannot stand 10-15 seconds. And you can see the results of monitoring of the patients. Then, Unterberger-Fukuda stepping test. The patient is asked to march on spot 1 minute or to make 100 steps. What might be the possible change? First, forward displacement. Normal is between 50 and 1 meter, 50 centimeters and 1 meter. It might be spin or rotation. More than 30 degrees is considered to be abnormal. Under displacement, also 30 degrees is the borderline. And everything might be evaluated in 1 point, and from 0 to 3 we have the total number. And you see the example of monitoring of the medication with this stepping test. Fukuda writing test. The patient is asked to take the pen like you see and to write down 33 in column. The column might be almost straight. The column might be undulating. The column might have left decline, or the patient cannot even write the figures with eyes closed. And again we see from 0 to 3 points evaluation. And you see the example of monitoring of the big contingent of the patient. Then indication test. Patient is asked to fix the point, then close his eyes, take a pen and indicate the point the target. So it is the figures how to evaluate the test. You see the example of mismatch very little. You also can pay attention at the lateralization of this match, and from 0 to 3 points, and you see the example of monitoring. Then tracking test. It is done with eyes open because we have to monitor the eye movement. Of course, it will be very good if you will use your gadget and make a video of all the tests. So you see the evaluation of the test from 0 to 3, and you see the example of the use of this test. Then, in total, patient might have from 0 to 20 points, up to 5 points. It's healthy. 5 to 10 means mild dysfunction. From 10 to 15, middle degree of the dysfunction, and after 15, it's severe dysfunction. You see the example of use of this test pattern. Dear colleagues, if you would like to know more information about dizziness, you are welcome to visit our site. You are welcome to look through the next hour presentation. But you are also welcome to come to Kiev to have more knowledge about this important problem.